President Rodrigo Duterte today assured returning Filipino workers stranded in Saudi Arabia of government assistance. The president gave the assurance during a meeting with the repatriated OFWs at the NAIA Terminal 2. Rocky Ignacio has this report.
President Rodrigo Duterte welcomed the 129 displaced OFWs from Saudi Arabia on board PR-638 at the NAIA Terminal 2. The president is pleased to see them back home. According to him, government legal experts are still in Saudi Arabia to attend with their pending documents to be able to receive their salaries. Reports said some OFWs were not able to get their salaries and other benefits for 2 years.
Nung umpisa pa lang ito, nung nag-assume ako ng office, gusto ko nang pumunta doon kasi nababasa ko na yung lumalala yung problema as each day passes by. And last 2 weeks ago, sabi ko sa kanila, I will leave for Riyadh within 72 hours. Hanapan niya ako ng eroplano pati pera. Actually, you have to inform the embassy of Saudi Arabia. But for the nuances, hindi naman nila sinabi wag. Ang totoo sabi nila na okay man, hindi ka naman kailangan pumunta dito kasi lalabas na wala naman silang ginagawa. So, kailangan pumunta pa ako. Parang hindi maganda tignan. So, inassess namin yung sitwasyon. Hindi naman sila nag-ayaw. Sabi nila, you postpone your trip for a better time. Sabi nga nila, tinutulungan ko naman lahat. So I sent several officials of workers in the government. Pinadala ko si Bebot, sabi ko, Bot, mauna ka na. Then Yasay was also there. And in addition, I commissioned Mamonjong, isang Maranao, pati isang brad ko na Maranao rin, si Mamao. So sabi ko, tulungan ninyo doon sa ating mga kababayan.
Aside from livelihood package, the president offered free education of their children in state colleges and universities.
So ngayon, take time to reassess yourself. Maybe you can, we are starting to, saan siya, itong small, medium and small enterprises, nag-uumpisa na ako. Binuhusan ko ng pera yan. Makahiram ka, but you have to go to the Department of Trade. Mahusay ang tao dyan. Yung nagdala nga ng gogo negosyo nun. Makahiram ko ng pera at makapag-start ka ng negosyo mo. But I really do not know the wherewithals of how to get it, how many persons should be granted. Pero meron yan. Take advantage of it. It's for everybody. Yung small scale.
President Duterte assured that government contingency measures are ready for other OFWs who would want to come home. Upon the order of the President, the Department of Foreign Affairs paid for their plane fare to Manila.
But we are ready or anytime pag kailangan, sabi ko, nag-okay ang PAL pati Cebu Pacific that they will send immediately upon notice aeroplano. Sabi ko, walang problema. Na kung meron pang gustong umuwi dito, lilipad ulit yung aeroplano na yan. Kaya lang, gusto kong magpakita sana doon, magpapapel. Sinabi nila, wag, kasi hindi naman sa talagang desperate ang situation at may mapapahiya. So sabi nila, wag na muna. Gusto kong pumunta talaga doon. Noon pa. Mabutit na lang, dumating naman kayo. Ayos naman ang kalagayan ninyo, except for 1 or 2 who died. Well, I'm sorry for that. Ginawa man namin ang lahat ng magagawa namin.
President Duterte also gave 5,000 pesos each as allowances for those who will travel for their respective provinces. For PTV News, Rocky Ignacio.